Complete the sentence. The sun, blank, behind the mountains. Options: A. Rises. B. Raise. C. Rose the flag. D. Raises. The correct answer is A. Rises. Rises is the correct form for an intransitive verb here. It does not need a direct object. Identify the intransitive verb. The flowers bloom beautifully in spring. Options: A. Flowers. B. Bloom. C. Beautifully. D. Spring. The correct answer is B. Bloom. Bloom is an intransitive verb because it does not act upon a direct object. Which sentence contains an intransitive verb? Options: A. She wrote a letter. B. The baby laughed. C. He threw the ball. D. They found the keys. The correct answer is B. The baby laughed. Laughed is an intransitive verb since there is no direct object. Complete the sentence. After the race, she blank quickly. Options: A. Rested. B. Rested the bike. C. Rests the chair. D. Rest. The correct answer is A. Rested. Rested is used intransitively here as no direct object is needed. Which verb is intransitive in this sentence? They arrived at the station. Options: A. Arrived. B. They. C. Station. D. At. The correct answer is A. Arrived. Arrived is an intransitive verb because it does not take a direct object. Complete the sentence. The wind blank throughout the night. Options: A. Blow. B. Blowing. C. Blew. D. Blows a leaf. The correct answer is C. Blew. Blew is the correct intransitive verb form, meaning no object is needed. Identify the sentence with an intransitive verb. Options: A. He sold his car. B. The dog barked loudly. C. She sent a message. D. They ate dinner. The correct answer is B. The dog barked loudly. Barked is an intransitive verb since it doesn't require a direct object. What is the intransitive verb in this sentence? The team cheered after the win. Options: A. Team. B. Cheered. C. Win. D. After. The correct answer is B. Cheered. Cheered is intransitive, as it doesn't act upon a direct object. Complete the sentence. The birds blank away at dawn. Options: A. Flew. B. Flies. C. Flying. D. Flown. The correct answer is A. Flew. Flew is the correct intransitive verb, no direct object is needed. Which of these sentences has an intransitive verb? Options: A. She painted the wall. B. They danced gracefully. C. He gave a gift. D. We broke the vase. The correct answer is B. They danced gracefully. Danced is an intransitive verb because there is no direct object in the sentence.